one little green guy, two little green ones. Those are both available now. And this little blue English budgie. So those are the three that are available right now. They all hatched in October. This English budgie hatched in the third week of October, and the little green ones hatched in the second week of October. They've been out playing. This guy's getting a bit tired, are you? Do you like the corn? Anyways, they're very sweet birds. Yes, available now. Eating that wheatgrass. Isn't that good? Budgies make wonderful pets. Anybody who's ever had a budgie for any length of time always has nice stories to tell about their budgie. That's because they make awesome pets, right, little sweetheart? This little fellow is a gentle little sweetie. He could be someone's best buddy, like instantly. Right? Yeah.